part of the work that I do is go and check out a lot of existing sites, and first thing you look at, or the first thing that would catch your eye, is cleanliness. You look at a plant that's nice and clean, you know that um, people operating it do care, and it's easier to walk through it, and it's easier to see um, what potential issues, or not issues, or good designs that there is there as well. So you do learn from the good designs and the bad designs. Obviously, bad designs you don't want to repeat it, and good designs sometimes you look and you think, yeah, there is a better way to do it. And again, if you just look at it with open eyes, it's not my way or the highway. In general, there is always a solution out there that fits everybody, or that could fit everybody. What about you, Richard?
Yeah, in this industry, as you know, we need to be made of clay. We need to suit ourselves to what the client expects, and I actually quite enjoy that. It means we've got to behave in different ways and approach things in a different manner. So the cleanliness is a good one. I also find I just try and read the people. What do they expect? Are they the sort of client who say, we've got a design and we want you just to enact what we have in mind, or go away and solve the problem and come back when there is a problem? You've got to, I suppose, read the level of involvement. Do they want to be bothered? Do they want to be a part of it? And work accordingly. That's very important. And if you can get that right, it'll be a lot more successful, I think.
Sometimes as well, just looking around, if you see a lot of people running around and quite busy, it does tell you that things are not going as good as they can, which makes you think, why? And what is it that we can do to make people's life easier? And ultimately, it is a service that would make people's life easier. So it's quite interesting to see how people operate, what makes them stressed, and it gives you a feel if as a plant, whether you've designed the plant or someone else, okay, well, that's a good plant, or okay, we probably need to help them improve, and that's always an eye-opener.
And looking for low-lying fruit.
Yeah.
What's easy? What's really easy? What are they missing here, which is very easy to get a bit more through?
Yeah. Well, sometimes fixing a small skirt reduces spillage by tons and tons per day. So that's one less broom or shovel to hold.